What is up, guys? Nick the Kai here, Let's Drift Media. We are back with Bill Davis with the Matco truck. We haven't been on his truck in about 2 years. You guys can see, you remember some of the old videos. He's got a new truck. We don't have a Matco dealer where I work now, so stop by his area, come check out what's new on the truck for you guys. What's up, Bill?
Hey guys, how you doing? All right, we're gonna make this quick and easy on the outside just because of the wind. So we got a Matco JSC 653. This is not a Matco item. This is an Apple Valley Tools Bill Davis item right here. You can actually take your speaker with you to the beach. Water resistant, dust resistant. Keep it in the shop so you can get some tubes. Latches right on there. It does run off your M18 battery, so feel free to take that with you when you go to the beach, go outside. And for a battery operated speaker, man, this thing is great.
Two trailer park girls go round the outside, round the outside, round the outside.
We'll take it back inside now, guys. I'll show you the rest of it in the truck.
Oh, first, Bill, what's the price on the speaker? And you said if you get the box, the speaker's included with the bracket?
You got on this one here, you're looking at around $2,600 for the box and the speaker and the bracket. And it is a standard pack out bracket, so you don't necessarily need to put a speaker on it. You can put any of the Milwaukee pack out stuff on it. The speaker itself, if you're going to buy that one separate, it's going to be right around $490 on the Matco truck. And Matco now is one of the largest Milwaukee distributors, so a lot of the guys out there, you may not know that Milwaukee joined us in October of 2022, so almost a full year now. I have been selling Milwaukee for as long as I've been in business, so about 3 years now I've done Milwaukee, but Matco and Milwaukee officially shook hands and became partners. So yeah, that's kind of the nice little thing that we can actually officially sell it now. So Milwaukee pack out M18 speaker.
All right, now let's check out the new truck.
All right.
You guys remember the last truck? Everyone was crammed in here like sardines. We got a whole lot more space now.
Yeah, so we got the extra wide body truck. It's 8 inches wider than my old truck. So if you imagine this aisle 8 inches narrower, and you got 10 guys on the truck all at once, you're going shoulder to shoulder, and it's about 4 feet longer as well. So some of the stuff I'm going to show you today is not necessarily Matco or tool related. Obviously you guys know that there's more to tools than that's for a tool truck. You got all sorts of fun stuff. Speakers, obviously we just showed you that. You got a baby Milwaukee speaker right there for the low profile guys.
Also runs on the M18.
And now it's getting to be the season where it's going to be dark real soon. This is a new one that we're doing. This is through Apple Valley Tools. This isn't a Matco item. This is my personal thing as well. Sea Devil is the company. They're located in San Bernardino, California. Awesome company. It is water resistant, dust resistant. It's meant for the guys that are going off-roading, outdoors, camping, but I'll be honest with you, I use this thing out here. It's phenomenal. It'll light my whole backyard. Sea Devil, if you go to seadevil.com, you can check out all their inventory. They're awesome. So that was option A out there for the pack out. This is option B. You can see that this one actually has a horizontal and a vertical configuration. So on your pack out, if you don't want it to be on the vertical, take it off and you can put it on the horizontal. I just kind of have this as a sample to show guys that you can do the same thing. And like I said, it's just your standard pack out. So the difference on this one is it does have the bracket for the E-track. So you can actually put the E-track on there.
Oh, okay.
And that's just a standard Milwaukee add-on. You can get that through any Milwaukee distributor. All right. Speaker's the same thing that you had going on outside.
Yeah, a lot of people I remember on the comments are just talking crap about their truck dealers, saying how they don't carry crap. they see the videos of your truck, they're like,
Yeah,
man, I wish my Matco dealer was like that.
It can be kind of interesting, you know, because I get the same story. They'll come on my truck when they look at other Matco distributors, and you know, it's kind of like a kid at Walmart. If you take them down the candy aisle, they're going to want to buy stuff. So if you don't have the candy on the truck,
Yeah, and it's like,
you're not going to sell it. So that was kind of our thing. All right, so this one right here, this is another one of our boxes. This is a 4S. This is the new style, which is actually 28 inches deep instead of the old 25. So all the 4S's now come 28 inch deep. They do come with the power drawer. This one we have decked out in the silver, excuse me, black vein, which is the textured paint with the
oh yeah,
purple handles. And pardon the dust, you know, we live up here in the high desert. You can dust it, and 5 minutes later there's going to be more crap on it. So this is what I wanted to show you guys. We got the whole speaker right here. So we got an old speaker on the cart as well. All right, so yeah, a little bit of non-tool fun on the tool truck today. So yeah, feel free to throw some comments down there. I'm kind of curious what you guys are thinking. These are actually Exogear off-road speakers. That was kind of my thing, off-roading. So these are also water resistant, dust resistant. You do have a remote control. You can use your Bluetooth phone, iPhone, Android, or you can use the remote control that comes with it as well. And you can tell it does have the lights on it. You can change the lights either with the remote control or on there.
is that just sitting on it? Oh, you both. Yeah,
yep, so that's actually riv nutted right into the box itself. So you're gonna move your box around, your speaker's not gonna go anywhere. This one here is hidden underneath. It's also bolted in, so that's not gonna go anywhere either. Just remember, you only have about 1.5 inches of clearance for where the speaker's at on the bottom though.
Oh, okay, you actually have a speaker down there. I thought that you were connecting to the Milwaukee one.
Nope, so the Milwaukee one isn't even turned on. That's actually a separate speaker entirely that's underneath there.
Well, that's actually a cool idea, bolting a speaker to the bottom. That way it doesn't take up space. Might have to do that to my little cart at work. Yeah.
I was going to do it with the Milwaukee originally, put it underneath. The only way you can do it is if I have the extra large casters, which I don't have any on the truck.
Oh,
you have to have 8-inch clearance in order to put this one underneath. But I figured, guys, you know, they're going to be hosing off the floor, dust, sweeping.
Yeah.
So they needed to be water resistant, dust resistant. So you can get those things muddy, dirty, greasy, and they'll stay in good shape.
How much is that little speaker on the bottom?
Little speaker on the bottom is going to be around 400.
Okay. Damn.
This guy here is going to be closer to 5.
Jesus.
And that would include me installing it for you too.
Yeah.
Take a few minutes to install it, and if you guys wanted to install it, I'd take a few bucks off of it. But it's not Matco specific. You have a snap-on box, a Cornwell box. You can
cool little add-on, little customization.
But yeah, so for the price of around $8 grand, just give you a heads up of where you're looking at. You're gonna get the speaker, the 4S, the cart, and the speaker as well. So for those guys that need to get something bigger and better, it's on at least our truck. I'm sure your Matco guys out there would work with you on something like that as well.
We got the whole Milwaukee section right here.
Yep, Milwaukee's been good to us. We've been out with Milwaukee for about 3 years now.
Yeah, even at my work, Milwaukee's all the shop tools. Milwaukee's taken over.
Yep. So heads up, guys. You could probably talk to your distributor. The 2767-20, which is the 1/2-inch impact.
That's the high torque?
That is the high torque. You got it. That's being discontinued.
Oh wow.
They are coming out with a new model, probably in October, second, third week of October, if I had to imagine. It's going to be similar to the mid-torque 3/8, where it has the flat face.
Yeah.
I believe it's going to be a little bit higher torque, 1,500 foot-pounds.
Jesus.
But you'll be able to get the old style 2767-22R for a discounted rate. So that's what we got going on right there.
Okay.
So feel free to talk to your distributor about that. Milwaukee is going to be shutting that line down to get the new ones on. You'll still get the 5-year warranty though, so don't worry about that.
All right. Milwaukee here. Got some stream lights, flashlights, all the lights. Pretty cool. Fender covers. Oh, the pliers, the roof is stocked up.
Here's a fun one we can show you guys real quick if you want. So guys are always looking for things.
Oh, it's magnetic.
Big old magnets. This will hold 50 pounds.
Oh, nice.
So even as my truck is bouncing, even fully loaded, those things don't come off.
Yeah.
Nice thing about it too is if you want, you can put it on, you know, the side of your tool cart. But you can have it as a divider in your drawer too, and it'll stick to the bottom, so you can just put your tools down there or this way.
Got gloves, sockets, wrench sets. Let me know in the comments if your guys' Matco truck looks anything like Bill's. Maybe you could send this video to your Matco truck guy, talk some shit to him. Air tools, we got a new scanner, socket sets, safety glasses, got it all. So yeah guys, that kind of sums up this episode of taking a little tour on Bill Davis's Matco truck. Again, huge shout out to Bill Davis. Let me know in the comments anything more you guys want to see specifically, stuff like that. I know I'm a big supporter of Harbor Freight. I say it all the time, you don't need to buy expensive tool, big name brand stuff, but it's still nice to come check out what's new on the trucks every now and then. So once again, huge thank you to Bill Davis. Catch you guys later. Peace!